Oh, hi there. Welcome back to modeling the computer desk thingy. Yeah, that's my title. Pull up and see what happens.
Oh!
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, today is the day that we conquer the computer desk and finally finish it. Let's walk through how I finished this project. For my base mesh, I of course added in a cube. Now it's way too big, so let's shrink it down a bit. I then was finally ready to get started, except I spent the next 30 freaking minutes staring at a stupid picture. I shaped the mesh correctly and then added in a subsurf modifier just to make it look smooth. And when I say smooth, I mean a piece of crap, cause just look at it. It looked like a whole sour patch. If y'all don't know what a loop cut is, it's basically
Big fella!
What y'all don't want to know?
Nope.
Alright, bet then. To fix up my mesh from looking like a sour patch, I just added in a few loop cuts just to sharpen up the edges a bit. I also sharpened up the front, and I ain't gonna cap with you, it ended up looking kinda wonky.
No cap.
To fix this, I just took away the loop cuts and placed them in differently. To straighten the edges, just press S, then the axis you want to straighten out on, which in this case is X, and then 0. For like, if you can see all of those, what the freak, dog?
Boy, if you don't get
And then began to work on the CD holder thingies. To do this, I just added in a bunch of loop cuts. Oh, and since y'all didn't want my help with those, y'all ain't getting it. Then I scaled them down, positioned them, and then inserted them, basically extruding inward. Duh. I literally couldn't do anything else at this point as I sat here for freaking a whole day trying to fix the most stupid problem. To finish, I just extrude the edges like this. I had to take a little break, but eventually I got back to work. I was now working on the smaller CD thingy, if that's what you call it. Listen, I'm not a freaking IT, okay? Stop judging.
just as I thought. Trash.
Anyways, here's a time lapse. The final thing I did is added the USB ports and the little buttons, you know, just all them small details that barely anyone pays attention to.
Wow.
After everything was done, I positioned everything correctly, and this was the outcome. Now at this moment, it just looked like clay, which is definitely not what I was looking for. This is because we didn't apply any textures yet. I decided to rest up and do the texturing another day. It's the afternoon right now, and I started by, of course, texturing the model. I made the plant holder have a glossy texture since it's a glass type of material. I compared it to my reference image, and I ain't gonna lie, mine's look way better.
Stop the cap.
Now before I rendered it, I had to organize because my junk is all over the place.
What is that?
Finally, I rendered it. It actually came out pretty good, and I'm really glad we were able to finish it. If you guys were following along, you can comment pictures of your finished product, if that's even a thing on YouTube. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to join the Daily Naggers, and hit that post notification button to get notified whenever I post a new video. And with all that being said, I'm signing out. Peace.